Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Physics by your video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question in the chapter Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter. Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter. The question is, the wave associated with a moving particle of mass 3 into 10 power minus 6 gram has the same wavelength as an electron moving with a velocity 6 into 10 power 6 meter per second. The velocity of the particle, mass of the particle has been given, but the velocity of the particle has been asked. The velocity of the particle is how much? A 1.82 into 10 power minus 18 meter per second. B 9.6 into 10 power minus 2 meter per second. C 3 into 10 power minus 31 meter per second. And then fourth one is 1.82 into 10 power minus 15 meter per second. What is the answer, sir? So, you know one formula, H is equal to lambda by UV. Okay? Sorry, lambda is equal to H by UV. So, wavelength of the particle is equal to wavelength of the electron. Both are the same wavelength. So, it is equal to lambda. Mass of the particle 3 into 10 power minus 6 gram. You have to convert it into kilogram. So, 3 into 10 power minus 6 into 10 power minus 3. It is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 9 kilogram. H is the Planck's constant. B is the velocity of the particle. Okay, that's it. Now, for any particle, according to de Broglie formula, you know that lambda is equal to H by M. For the given particle, H by M, mass 3 into 10 power minus 9 kilogram. That you have seen in your previous slide. Into V. V is the velocity of the particle, which we are going to find out in this question. So let it be equation. For electron, mass of electron 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram. That you know very well. V is the velocity of electron. That has also been given in the question. 6 into 10 power plus 6 meter per second. So, as far as electron is concerned, lambda is equal to H by UV is equal to H by mass of electron 9.1 into 10 power minus 30. 9.1 into 10 power minus 30. The velocity V 6 into 10 power 6. 6 into 10 power 6 plus 6. So, let it be equation. So, you consider for the particle lambda is equal to H by 3 into 10 power minus 10 into V. This is equation. For the electron, lambda is equal to H by 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into 6 into 10 power plus 6. Let it be equation. So, LHS of equation 1 and 2, lambda are equal. RHS of equation 2, 1 and 2 must be equal. So, H by 3 into 10 power minus 9 into H by 3 into 10 power minus 9 into. What about the second equation? RHS H by 9.1 into 10 power minus 30 into 6 into 10 power plus 6, 6 into 10 power 6. So H and H gets cancelled. So the denominators are equal. They are one and the same. Even you can make it as a numerator also. So V is equal to. So if ரெண்டுமே numerator, தலமாத்தி போட்ட பிறகு ரெண்டு H inverse போட்டா கூட H and H cancel ஆயிடும். So they will be equal. So V is equal to the 3 on the side போகுது கீழே. இது ஏற்கனவே மேலே இருக்கிறதா அர்த்தம். 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into 6 into 10 power plus 6. 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into 6. So what is this 2 sir? Papa. Wait for some time. 6 into 10 power plus 6 divided by 3 into 10 power minus 6. So 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 3, 6. So this is 2. So in the numerator, you have 2 into 9.1, that is 18. What about the power, sir? This is 10 power minus 31. This is 10 power plus 6. You are in the denominator, you have 10 power minus 9. When it goes to the numerator, it becomes 10 power plus 9. 9 plus 6, 15 plus 9 plus 6, 15. So 10 power plus 15 in the numerator, 10 power minus 31 is also in the numerator. So 18.2 into 31 minus 15. So 10 power minus 16. 18.2 into 10 power minus 16 meter per second. But you just move the decimal point here. 1.82 into 10 power minus 15. Minus 15. 16 will become 50. So 1.82 into 10 power minus 15 meter per second. Option D is the right answer. Okay? Option D is the right answer. So you will see one more question from the same chapter, dual nature of matter and radiation, in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all.